guys, I'm the announcer. These guys are gonna burp.
Okay, basically, Hudson thinks he's better at burping than me. And I don't think so.
Okay, Jake, you go first. I'll be the judge.
Like he's my water.
Right here.
Police violence against black women and women of color. And when I spoke with her earlier, I started by asking her,
Heston just like, what the heck is wrong with you?
women and the police is different than that of black men.
He's got a drink. Okay, Heston. Okay, Jake, you're first. Okay, this is just getting boring watching you drink water.
And also ways that are unique. So many black women experience police violence as Breonna Taylor did in the home.
Get the Sirius XM app and
Give that. I'll give that a 5.
That was the worst burp I've ever done in my life.
Okay, I'll give that a 2. Right now.
Wait, now it's time to burp the ABCs.
The communist Chinese regime lied about the coronavirus epidemic and covered it up, costing lives and devastating our economy. Senator Cory Gardner is working to hold China accountable. He's got a long track record of getting tough on China. In the Senate, Gardner introduced bipartisan legislation to crack down on China's intimidation of U.S. businesses. Now, Gardner is working to end our dangerous reliance on China for essential health.
How long is this gonna take, Heston? Okay. Okay, so I think it's a tie because you both are pretty gross and disgusting. So, yeah. Well, that was the last burp, and so... Well, okay, you two say bye. Don't...